Hello, good morning to those ones who are still in morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone. Today I want to talk about how to avoid getting recurrent urinary tract infection because we noted that a lot of people are getting urinary tract infection which are recurrent each and every day. You're getting infection and you don't understand what is happening to you. Today I want to teach you how to the ways of how to avoid getting recurrent urinary tract infection. Number one, you should avoid, you should observe good hygiene. That is specifically when you are washing your undergarments and also your anal area after going for long and short calls. Most of people, I know they like they like using toilet paper, and sometimes it does not clean. You just distribute organisms evenly. But when you clean that around that area, you usually make that area very clean, and you will be free from getting urinary tract infections. Number two, we have something which is very very key. That is also so pertaining your undergarments. That is, after washing them, you should make sure that you are airing them in direct sunlight, because usually the sun rays have specific rays which usually kill a lot of those microorganisms, and then uh, making you be free from getting urinary tract infection. Because most of the time you get culturally we've been taught a lot of things. That is our behavior. That is the way we should. That is also air our clothes. That is on our bathrooms. But the bathroom that we used to have back then and the one we're having right now, they're not the same. So even when you are doing that, you should also be keen so that you're not exposing yourself to recurrent infection. That is the best thing you're supposed to do. That is airing them in direct sunlight, and avoid airing them inside your rooms and inside your washrooms. And then the number three, there's something which is very very specific, which is called dodging. Dodging, most of us, that is after having sexual intercourse, usually introduce foreign things to foreign object in genitalia. That is for ladies, you introduce that is face towels, and that is not good. You should avoid doing that. Just don't introduce foreign things, that is washing or even cleansing your genitals and vaginas. The other thing is you should avoid using medicated soaps, because medicated soaps usually have effect. That is, they usually kill bacteria, they usually kill fungi, some even kill viruses, and some of those organisms are usually normal floras. So when you introduce those medicated soaps, they would kill the normal flora and put you at the risk of getting infection. The other thing is avoid using tampons. On your menses, just make sure that you're using pads. Avoid using the tampons. And then the last thing, apart, even if you observe all the other things, but the last thing, which is very very key, it also has some moral aspect. But you should avoid having multiple partners, because when you're having that intercourse, you're also exchanging organisms, and some of these organisms, when you exchange from one person to another, they might be ineffective to one in one person, but when you get them, they usually are not very good. Thank you so much. Welcome to our next episode.